The Embassy of Poland recently hosted a presentation titled "On the Latest Discoveries of the Polish-Kuwaiti Archaeological Mission" on the premises of the Polish Embassy.
The event was attended by and hosted by His Excellency Paweł Lociwizd, Polish Ambassador to the State of Kuwait. The event was further attended by His Excellency Bolanusta Alexander, Ukrainian Ambassador to Kuwait, and Professor Piotr Bielinski, representing the Polish Center of the Mediterranean Archaeology and the Director Department Antiques and the Museum National Council for the Culture, Arts and Letters. Dr. Sultan Al-Dweish. More detail with Ghanwa Jabouri.
The Embassy of Poland recently hosted a presentation on its premises in Jabriya titled "On the Latest Discoveries of the Polish-Kuwaiti Archaeological Mission." The event addressed issues pertaining to the recent archaeological discoveries that were made in Al-Subiya area, which hold great historic cultural elements for Kuwait and the entire region.
The event is commemorated to underline the importance of not only bilateral relations between Poland and Kuwait and the cooperation on the cultural and scientific field, but also underline the importance of what we can do together. The event is actually a press conference and a small seminar describing the discoveries that have been made recently in Kuwait, in Sabiha region, on Bahrawan site, archaeological site, by the Polish archaeologists in cooperation with the National Council of Culture, Art and Letter. We are grateful for this kind of cooperation with Kuwaiti institutions.
Our Kuwaiti colleagues got used to collaborate with foreigners, and thanks to the people who are then in the National Council for Culture, Art and Letters, in the museum, we were talking about science. It means it was the scientific project which was really interesting for our Kuwaiti host. And we have partners. Every year we are getting from the Kuwaiti National Museum 2 young or 3 young men to train them.
The event further addressed fascinating, insightful details pertaining to the archaeological site at Al-Subiya Desert in northern Kuwait, which were made by the Polish Center of Mediterranean Archaeology, University of Warsaw, in cooperation with the National Council for Culture, Arts and Letters. A fascinating discussion on the latest discoveries of the Polish-Kuwaiti Archaeological Mission. From the Polish Embassy in Jabriya, I'm Ghanwa Jabouri, reporting to you for the English News.